nice zone. Okay, we have another one here. Let me show you. Boom. I've placed a trade for a minute, expecting the price to go up. So this was a zone, guys, and this was a zone. The market had broken this zone and came back to do a minor retest, and boom. You see, it is also a minor retest. So it was about to come and form a major one retest, but it failed. So it went up. So if it fails, you just let it go, because you cannot force the market, you cannot chase the market. Then we have this one here. Let me draw the zone. This one is also a zone. Okay, this one, because of this one, you see we have a reversal here. So the market had broken this zone, came back to retest, and you can see now it is going up. This is a minor retest. That's a minor retest. You can see we have won our 2 trades. All right. Yes, my people, it's your mentor Abissons D, and I'm back with another one. So in this video, I'm gonna show you a new 1-minute strategy that I have been backtesting since yesterday, and I've seen it has a good win rate. So if you want to learn about this strategy, then make sure you watch this video to the end so that you can learn. Then in case you're watching from this channel for the first time and you have not subscribed, then you are doing a very big mistake, because you will be missing a lot. So if you don't want to miss a lot, then make sure you subscribe to this channel. Yeah, then you make sure you turn on the notification bell, so that anytime I upload videos like this, you're gonna be the first person to be notified. Then if you like the video, then don't forget to press the like button and share the video to your friends, right? Yeah, so without wasting so much time, let's jump into the video. Alright guys, welcome back. So now let me show you how the strategy works. So this strategy is a 1-minute strategy, and it works best on a 1-minute time frame. So you have to change the time frame to 1 minute, and the duration as well to 1 minute. So the time frame and the expiration time should be the same. Okay. And then after that, you now start analyzing the market using price action by identifying the zones. After identifying the zones, you now wait for something we call a breakout. A breakout is always happening in the market, and after every breakout, we always expect something we call retest. After every breakout, we always expect a retest, because the market should do a retest before thinking of going to the next zone. That is how the market structure is formed. So for those who understand the market structure, knows what I'm talking about. When the market is forming higher highs and higher lows in an uptrend, if the market breaks the next zone to form a higher high, like for example, let me show you one here. All right, so this is an uptrend. The market is forming higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. See, so this one is a zone. This one here is a zone. So the market came up to this level. All right, then it reversed. It failed to break this zone. After that, it came and formed another lower high. All right, I mean higher low, not low high, higher low. Then after that, the price went and broke the zone. So when the zone was broken, we were expecting a retest. All right, so this one is the retest. The market came back to form a retest at the same zone that was broken. So this retest is another higher low. Right, same to this one. After the breakout here, came and formed higher low. Then after that, it went up to form a higher high. then it came down to form a higher low, then it should go up and form a new higher high, like that. So the market moves in that pattern. That's the market structure. It moves in that structure. So now there is something you need to know again is that we have let me put a zone. Let me delete this one. So this one here was a zone, okay? This one was a zone, you see? This one was a zone, all right? So now the market came and reversed here, all right? So when it came back, we were expecting a breakout. The market should break it, all right? So when the market had broken the zone, you see it came and did a minor retest. There is a minor retest and a major retest, okay? You have to understand that as well. A minor retest is when the market breaks the zone, then it comes back after few minutes to few seconds or minutes to do a retest, and there is a major one which goes to the maybe up to the next zone, then it comes and do a retest and continue. So these are small retest and a big retest. So the small retest is called a minor retest, and the big one is called a major retest. So in this strategy, we are only going to use minor, not the major. So this is the major. So this one was the major retest, but you can see it failed to go up, but there was some reaction before a breakout. So that means the market is trying to change a trend from an uptrend to downtrend. So that's why it had broken the zone. But before it had broken the zone, there was a reaction. So even if you could have placed a trade, you could have won that trade before it breaks. All right, very nice. So now, since this was the zone, and after breakout, we were expecting a small pullback or a big pullback. So when the market is coming to do a retest, that's called a pullback. The market is pulling back. It's coming back from where it came from, or the retest, then it continues going up. So now the market had broken this zone, came down, made a retest, and boom. So you place a trade, immediately it touches the zone 1 minute. All right, expecting a reaction, okay, or a reversal. Okay, you can look for another one here. Let me give you an example. I will give you another example. Okay, you can see we had a downtrend here. Then the market is now trying to change the trend. All right. So now let me see. We have a zone here. Where is that zone? Where is that zone? We have a zone here. We have a zone here because of these reversals here. This thing, it needs to be big. Yeah, need to make it visible. Then we have another zone here. And another one downstairs. Sorry, this one. This is the zone. That's the zone. And the last one. We have a zone here. So now, if you look at these zones, I've put the zones because of the reversals, okay? You can see them, the reversals. You can see them, okay? You can see the reversals here. So now, if you look at this zone, all right, the market came and managed to break it, okay? It was broken. This is the breakout candle. When it breaks, it closes outside the zone. So the market came back to the test. Then if you could have placed a trade for 1 minute, you see, that was a clean win. All right. Then we have another one here. The market came down again. It turned to be a fake breakout. but it came and break the zone again, came down. So it was now ranging here. Came here, reacted here a little bit. Now it has broken again. So it is ranging, but we use the first one. The first one is always safe compared to the second, third, and fourth. So use the first retest. That one is always sure that the price must react, but even though not all the time, most of the time. All right, so here we have another zone. Let me see. Here we have another zone. Here we have another zone. This is a minor. This is a zone as well, but it's a minor. Because the zones are close. All right, they're very close, but it is a minor zone. So that's very tricky to use. Okay, we have another one here. We have another one here. So you can see this one was a zone. Nice zone. Okay, we have another one here. Let me show you. Boom. I've placed a trade for a minute, expecting the price to go up. So this was a zone, guys, and this was a zone. The market had broken this zone and came back to do a minor retest, and boom. You see, it is also a minor retest. So it was about to come and form a major one retest, but it failed. So it went up. So if it fails, you just let it go because you cannot force the market. You cannot chase the market. Then we have this one here. Let me draw the zone. This one is also a zone. Okay, this one. Because of this one, you see, we have a reversal here. So the market had broken this zone, came back to retest, and you can see now it is going up. This is a minor retest. That's a minor retest. You can see we have won our 2 trades, all right? Yeah, so that's how the strategy works. You look at the minor retest only. Don't use the major one. You cannot use the major one with 1 minute. You cannot survive there with 1 minute, all right? It's very tricky. But with the minor, you can use the 1 minute because of the small pullback. You'll be expecting a small pullback, all right? So you can see that was a nice one. So we had another one here. This one, you can see, this is a zone. This is a zone. You can see it clearly. We have reversal. So that's a zone. So the market came and broke the zone, came back to do a minor retest, and boom, you can see. Okay. All right, so here we had another one, guys. Let me delete this one. Here we had another one. You see, this was a zone. This one here was a zone. You see, it's a nice one. That's the main one. Then the market had broken the zone, came back to do a minor retest. Then, boom, that was clearly a win. All right, 1 minute was enough. So even if this one came back, the trade had already expired. All right. So now I think it is now trying to go up and come back and do a major retest. All right. But remember, we only use minor retest. I don't know if we can get another one. Let's see if we can get another one. Okay. All right, so we had another one here, guys. We had another one here. This was a zone. You can see it very clearly. This one, where's that thing? Where's that thing? So that was a zone. Okay, that was a zone. And after the breakout, you see what happened? The market came back to do a minor retest. And if you could have placed a trade For 1 minute, that was a clean win. That was a clean win, right? That was a very clean win. So that's how the strategy works, guys. That's how the strategy works. The reason is coming back for the second time, but remember, you use only the first one, then you let it be. Even here we have a lot of minor retest, but with the first one is the best to use or the safest. All right, I don't know if you can get another one, but I think you have understood how the strategy works. All right, yeah, so that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you love the video, please don't forget to press the like button. And in case you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you're gonna be the first person to be notified. All right. Okay, thanks for watching to the end. Let's meet in the next video.